Good morning to all my dear students. Today I am going to teach you business studies of class 11. The first chapter, nature and purpose of the business. So now the first topic, commerce. What is commerce? Commerce is branch of business which concerned with exchange and distribution of goods and service. It's called commerce. Now trade center India was more closely linked in the world markets to the Europeans market where commercial revolution was taking place. Now, economic and non-economic activity. You know very well, all the humans involved in some activities. Some are involved in economic activities and non-economic activities. The activities undertaken with the main aim of earning money concern wealth and known is the economic activity. इसमें money earn करना. Working in a factory, running a shop, non-economic activities refer to activities undertaken with the main motive of getting psychological satisfaction, social services, charity, visiting temple, doing the household work, okay, like your mother is cooking food at your home, it's a non-economic activity. Now, types of economic activities. The economic activities can be classified in three categories. First, business. Second, profession, and third, employment. So what is business? It refers to activities concerned with the production or purchase and sale of goods and supply of services with the main objective of earning profit. Once again, business, it refers to activities with the production or purchase and sale of goods and supply services with the main objective of earn profit. Okay, it's called business. Now profession includes those activities which require special knowledge and skills to apply to individual their occupation, like doctor, like teacher, like lawyer, advocate, etc. Employment, it refers to occupation which people work for others regular with the main aim getting remuneration like salary and wages, etc. It's called employment. Now, concept and features of business. Business is economic activities which involve the production and purchase, goods sales, transfer, exchange and goods, earning profit. The main motive of business, earning profit. The main features of business and economic activity. Business is the economic activity. Production or goods and services. Sale of exchange goods and services, satisfaction of human needs. Dealing goods and services regular basis. Must keep in your mind, business is not for single days, one day, it's a regular basis. Okay, profit earning. This is the main things, profit earning. Now business and economic activities, profit motive, creation of utility, exchange goods and services. Now objective of business. There are three objectives of business. First, economic objective. There are 3 points: survival, profit and growth. The main survival, profit and growth. Social objective, also some social objective of the business. First, supply desired quality of products, avoid the unfair trade practices, employment generation, social services, avoidance of pollution. So these are the social objective. Now human individual objective, providing the goods working condition, personal growth and development, and completing the and fair remuneration. Now classification of business. Business divided in two categories: industry and commerce. So what is industries? Industries refer to an economic activity which the concerned with the conversion into resources into useful goods. Industry can be two types. First, extractive industries and services industries. Secondary industries refer to industries which convert raw material into finished product. The secondary industry can be two types: manufacturing industries and construction industries. Now treasury industries, transport, warehousing, advertising and communication. Now commerce. What is commerce? It includes all the activities related to distribution of goods and services. Commerce is considered as the backbone of industry. It helps removing the various hindrances, like remove the hindrance of person, remove the hindrance of place, hindrance of time, hindrance of exchange, removing the hindrance of risk and knowledge. Now, commerce include two types of activities, trade and services. Trade refer to sale, transport or exchange of goods and services. Trade can be broadly classified two categories. Internal domestic trade, it refer to sale or transfer sale of goods with the country. There are two types of internal trade, wholesale trade and retail trade. So, then foreign trade, it refer to sale, transfer, exchange goods beyond the geographical limit of country, it means out of country. External trade is three types, export, import and interport. What is interport? We have purchased goods from other country and sold to another country. It's called interport. Now services trade, activity with the help of smooth flow of goods and services is the market are known as the services trade. These are also referred as the service sector. The common services trade are transport, banking, insurance and warehousing and advertising. These are okay. Now business risk, it refer to probability of losses to the unforeseen and events. Nature of business risk arise due to uncertainty part of every businessman. Degree of risk depend upon the nature and size of the business. Profit is reward being is the risk. Okay, through the profit we can bear our loss and risk. Causes of business risk, natural cause, human cause and economic cause. Last, psychological, yeah, it's also called physical cause. Okay, so there are four causes. First, natural cause, human cause, economic cause and physical cause. So this was the important topic of this chapter. Okay, good day.